Hello everyone, welcome back to another video of Tech Basics. In this video, I'm going to guide you through step-by-step process on how to download Outlook app on your PC. If you are a Mac user, first open your App Store. After opening your App Store, you can see search bar on the left top corner. Click on it and type in Outlook app. Now scroll down a little bit until you see this logo. Click on it. Here you can see Get option. Click on Get. Now click on Install. Now it is going to ask for verification. After the verification, your download has been started. It may take some time depending on how fast your internet is. After your download is completed, you can see Open option here. Click on Open and here you have successfully downloaded Outlook app on your PC. Thank you for watching this video. I hope this video was helpful to you. Please do like, share and subscribe to our channel. And don't forget to comment down below. Thank you.